Hello and welcome to Cleaning the Kitchen, and more specifically, the fridge, with me, LP. What's up, you guys? It's been a long time since I saw you last. So what you're gonna want to do first is really take a good look at yourself and at your life, and really come to terms with what a disgusting waste of a human you are. And you're gonna want to look in your fridge and really confront how filthy and gross you are. And you're gonna look in the fridge and you're gonna say, this fridge, this is disgusting. This fridge is me. And then you're gonna want to get some 409. Tackle your problems head on. Alright? Stay in school, don't do drugs, don't become like me. I'm gonna start with the outside. A lot of people might go, whoa, don't you think you have more to do inside? No. This is my mom's collection of things that are dated, don't make sense to be on a fridge. There used to be one about Kim Jong-un, or what's that dictator's name? The real story behind Marie Laveau. This is a magnet. This can stay. But maybe I'll throw it out because it's a wedding date magnet and it's only going to allow for my mom to put more shit on top of the fridge. Oh, this is gonna come in handy. This is a Saints schedule for 2014. We're gonna look forward to that cluttering our lives. I don't want to talk about human trafficking statistics when we're trying to talk about cleaning a fridge, but I will say football plays a big part. Let's see. The 2015 schedule. Alright, it's updated and it's a magnet. So it's like you knock it all out at once. My old magnet card. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like little kids watching me on the TV because I'm a babysitter. I'm pleased to inform you, because of your outstanding work during 2013 spring semester, you have earned a place on the Dean's List. Only students who have demonstrated superior work during the semester merit this distinction. Please accept my congratulations of your achievement. Will do, but it's from 2013 and it's the last time I accomplished anything. Iggy's first day at Camp Bow Wow. It's a picture of Finn when he was, I'm gonna say he was about 7 months here. He's like a full-grown boy now. It's disturbing. Human life, am I right? This is Finn when he was like 4 months, okay? I don't know if you can see the most beautiful baby! Selby. Okay, she lives down the street. She is amazing. She's smiling, she's wearing a bracelet, she's like, what the fuck is up? She's like decked out in her gypsy jewelry or Roma jewelry. Her dad is Turkish, so I don't know what the correct racial slur I'm looking for is, but she is rocking it. I love her so much. She's so smiley. You look at her and she's smiling. You know what happened to me if you looked at me as a baby? I turned your ass to stone, alright? With one glare. 2 eyes at the time, but one very, very powerful glare. Didn't pass health inspection, the top 50 violators. We've had this forever. It's a list of restaurants that we never go to, ever. It's yellow. Do you know how long it takes for a newspaper to turn yellow? I have no idea, but it sounds like it's not something that needs to stay on the fridge. Sorry, Mom. New Orleans Police Department, from that time a guy threatened to kill my mom. No big whoop. I don't think we need this either. 2011. My, how time flies when you do absolutely nothing for years. Like, what have I been doing? I have no idea what this is, but I don't think any of us have read it in years. There's this burrito place that opened down the street on St. Claude. I don't even want to get into what their burritos are like, but I'm not going to explain why this happened, but the guy thought that I said my name was Freak Show, which it is, okay? It may as well be. And he was like, Freak Show? And I didn't realize that's what he said, but that's what he said, because when I got my ticket back, that's what it said. But I love it so much, I don't want to throw it away. I might frame it. I don't know. It's already exhausting me, just doing this. This is too much. You might be saying, LP, what are you doing cleaning a fridge? Like, you deserve to be on an island with a mojito. I don't drink, but I feel like that's something I would if I did. Be like, oh my god, like, give me like a mojito. You might be like, why would you ever clean a fridge? You know, like, you're amazing. You don't need to be cleaning fridges. I know. Alright, you don't have to tell me. I'm just like really generous and charitable with my time. Let's just talk real quick about how I just like won't change the light bulb. Like, let's say I even knew where the light bulb went. Would I change the light bulb? If you guessed not on your life, you are correct! Alright. This half and half has been in here since 1432 BC, so... Oh dear. I think I just corroded my pipes with moldy fungus milk, so now that that's complete, more half and half. I don't think this is old yet though. I'm gonna say we're gonna give it like a C+, which is passable. I don't know, I feel like dumping the half and half was probably enough. Maybe I'll dump the meat and then maybe we'll just be done. Like, maybe we don't have to commit to a full on fridge cleaning. Maybe I could just like clean out what sort of really needs to be taken out, which is just a few key things that are really making it really difficult to open. Relish is a weird thing to have in one of these squeezy bottles. Seems like it should just be in a jar. But not having to use a knife and the super convenient access to it and how much it is, well, the amount of it is pretty scary. It's like, why is there that much? Cream cheese, keeper. Remember that coconut pie I was eating the other day? Probably not still good, right? I mean, it probably tastes like the rest of the fridge by now. I'm gonna say that's a go. Who even drinks Bud Light? Like, where am I living? This is some meat. I don't even want to touch this. Alright, this is the real demon. This is the reason we did this. I'm going to bed after this. Fuck this fucking fridge. I'm tired. No, that's rain. That's the rain. Is that rain? Is it raining? It's suddenly raining and thundering out of nowhere, so I'm pretty sure that's because I just took this out of the fridge. This is some taco meat from a taco salad that my mom made. It was delicious. She made it about 3 weeks ago though. And I kept being like, I'm gonna eat that taco meat, and then after a few days I was like, I'm not gonna eat that taco meat, but I'm also not gonna touch it. So this is me touching it, sort of. We're gonna put it in this grocery bag before we dump it. Just to be on the safe side, we're gonna put cotton balls up our nose. Because, I mean, TBPH, it's probably gonna smell pretty rank. You know, like, it's 3 weeks old. Ugh. Living the life of a champion. Alright. It's like raining down hell, literally right now, because I'm about to open this, like... It's probably raining frogs and dead meat outside. Oh, God. This is... Oh! Are you, like, vomiting at your computer screen phone right now? Oh. organizing. I should have just called an exterminator like I originally wanted to, but no! I had to be the brave, tough guy. Oh, God. I'm so sick of being perfect. This has been cleaning the fridge with LP. I mean, I don't want to call it too early, but I'm pretty sure this makes me a martyr. Like, and I know you can't get canonized until after death, but like, I just brought a plague of storms from the beast that I just unleashed. Alright? I mean, give me a medal or something. Like, I didn't ask to be a hero. It just happened that way. Thank you so much for stopping by. This has been so lovely. If anybody wants to come over and clean the rest of my kitchen, my mom would really be grateful. And remember, if you want to clean the filth of your emotions, probably start with the fridge. That's where most of them are. This might come as a surprise to you, but I have things to do other than clean the fridge. Alright? I'm like busy. I have a pillow to make out with. There's a lot going on in the schedule. Okay? A lot. Nikki, if you're watching this, I'll send those assignments to you ASAP. It's storming now. I mean, I guess God is crying because I did such a good job. That's the only reason I can think of. This has been one of the most disgusting things that I've done in a minute. Not of my life.